In the beginning, when there was nothing but chaos, instinct told us to run, hide, fear the evil. Any who stood up to the evil were cursed with waiting tables and seating guests. Until finally, one was sent who would bring order to chaos and shift the balance of power. Blessed with unrivaled courage and the knowledge of ages, this being would bring order to chaos and shift the balance of power. Should we try that again? Yeah? And lead the war against those... Sorry. And lead the war against those who reigned with countless different theories. Those victorious mortals referred to him as the wild card. Today, he is known by just one name, Nic the Spick Gonzalez!
Thank you very much indeed. Hello everybody.
Hi there.
How are you doing here?
Alright, thanks.
Right there, I'm Nick.
Hi Nick.
Let me get dressed. You are Adrian?
Adrian.
Thought it might be Adrian.
Yeah.
How you doing? And your name there, sir?
Alan.
Alan, excellent. Nice to meet you there. And your name?
Matt.
Matt, brilliant. Right, so we got Adrian, Alan and Matt. You all know each other?
Yeah.
Excellent, so you can chat amongst yourselves if ever I get stuck on anything.
Fine.
Let's get some drinks going here, guys. Anybody know what they'd like?
I do, yes.
You do. Let's hope I know what you want as well.
Can I have a Matt the Rat, please?
And Matt the Rat. Fantastic. You're right there. Like a bit of dark rum, is it? Dark rum and that? Yeah, dark rum and all that. Yeah, dark rum. Excellent. Anybody driving at all?
No.
No? Quality. So do you know what you want to drink or?
Something with tequila.
Something with tequila.
Yeah.
I had a feeling someone you might ask for something with tequila there. And for you?
Whatever you'd recommend.
Whatever I recommend. A nice easy one there. You might be able to see it on my arm. My favourite drink. That's definitely what you're going to have there. A nice Uncle Vanya. Right. A Matt the Rat. Something with tequila.
Yeah.
I wonder, what am I going to make? Do you like apple juice?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Fantastic. I'm going to get you going a nice tomato cocktail. Huh, oh, oh, huh, huh. Didn't know if that was going to happen, but I'm right there. Righty. Something with tequila. Here we go. Quality. You know, everywhere. Got there some cassis on this side. Excellent. Nice splash of that. A beautiful amount of apple juice.
What
See,
you making?
this drink is usually built, but I prefer it just to mix it up. I prefer any drink that's mixed rather than just poured on top because you get it all settled at the bottom. We're going to do that. Cool, that's set on a nice high level there, isn't it? Fantastic. And what was it? A Matt the Rat, wasn't it? The dark rum. Oh, it's spice rum for me, is it? Ah, fantastic. I'm glad you pointed that one out for me. I was going to make that with dark rum. What's going on there? Triple sec. So you guys going out afterwards, or are you going to stay here all night? I mean,
Now we might go out. Where do you recommend then?
well, I hear there's a little do going on somewhere in Leicester Square. Red Square, I don't know if you've heard of it. Red Cube even, Red Cube. Yeah, it's one of those 3D ones. Simple syrup there, excellent. It's a bit of a citrusy drink this, isn't it, Matt, alright? Yeah. Fantastic, and my orange juice is here. Well, I'm going to be going off there anyway, so you want to come along, and then maybe you can get me some drinks after.
Sounds all right.
That'll be great, wouldn't it? Rather than me making all the drinks. Let's see. Let's see how this goes with Miss Shaky Hand. No, hey, it's not ready yet. Where's me? Gonna stick a bit of lemonade on top. Now it's a nice pour. Thank you very much indeed. What's gonna happen now? Psychos, isn't it? Well, have I got a lime squeeze on the old Chimayo, isn't it? And a lemon and lime squeeze on the Matarat. I've been practicing this a little. Yeah. I wonder if I'm going to get it. No, maybe not. Sorry, nearly got you instead, didn't I? Righty. 2 straws in there. It's a bit noisy. Is there a party going on down there or something? What are we all doing here? We might as well be down there. They're nice and noisy, and we got sorry. Yours was the Chimayo, wasn't it? God, I'm getting all confused there. We finished up. We finished up with that. Shall I get rid of that for you? Shall I clear that away? Nice and cheers, James. Excellent. I take it you've all met James. I mean, he's been around a while.
Yeah, he's been here all day, I think.
Yeah, fantastic guy. Right, your drink. Obviously, I've just told you. It's going to be my favourite Uncle Vanya. Who's that? What's that? Smell. Oh, thanks. What we're going to do is we're going to make that with a bit of a stronger smell. Smirnoff Blue. A great one. Smirnoff Black's made nice, but not when you're mixing it into some cocktails and that. It's better if you use a bit of Smirnoff Blue because it's nice and strong. Whoa! Fantastic. And then also, that's some more. Excellent. Thank you very much, sir. And my sweet and sour. Oh. That's more, that's more. What's this? Someone calling out something else other than my name. Yes, that's more like it. Excellent. As you can see, I've got a few friends, really, haven't I? Right, brilliant. This will get a nice lime. Everybody's got a piece of lime. Hopefully everybody likes a bit of lime. Right, there's that. We're all set up for drinks. How about some food? Anybody hungry?
Yeah, just anything. What do you
Anything?
recommend?
Well, do you want set meals yourself, or we just had a new menu come in, so, or you want to share some stuff, appetizers?
Share something around the bar.
Share some stuff, like we got a free-for-all. You got chicken wings and skins and mozzarella sticks with a choice of dips.
Yeah,
sounds good. Yeah. Do you like JD? It's got a nice sweet JD glaze, so we can make it a JD free-for-all. A bit better then. So maybe some cheese nachos. Anybody vegetarian? No. So we won't bother with cheese nachos. We'll go with chicken nachos. Yeah. And I ain't gonna be able to tempt you with any of my veg. No. Not at all. Great. Brilliant. Waste of a prop, really. I ain't gonna bother with that. Right. So basically, we're gonna go off. Have some drinks later. But let me show you a trick. Actually, I'm not very good at card tricks, so let's see if I can sort this out. I've got a normal deck of cards. Yeah. You might be able to see. Lovely. Superb. Right, what I'm going to do is I've made a prediction. Don't even know who you are, but I made a prediction and I put it in there. And so I want you to pick a card. Any cards. That one? You sure? Excellent. You want to have a look at it? Show it around your friends. I need a blind spot though. This trick works with a little bit of a blind spot, really. So that I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
But right. What I need you to do, put the cards back in anywhere in the pack, anywhere you like. Excellent. Righty. Now in here, I predicted what card you chose. If I can open it up. We'll find out what I predicted. Was it the 6 of clubs? It wasn't. I told you I wasn't very good at these card tricks. Fantastic. This isn't going to work at all, is it? Really? Let me look through this this deck of cards here. Let's see what I can find. Was it the Ace of Hearts? No. It wasn't. Great. Was it the 5 of clubs? No. No. Damn. I ain't going to do too well on this, am I really? I'll tell you what. I'm just going to have to try and find this card. So, was it any one of these? No! Oh, I didn't do too well, did I really? Excellent. Alrighty. Anybody know how long I've got left?
4 hours.
Excellent. So, anybody else want a drink whilst I'm here? Sorry, Black Russian. Should I do your Black Russian?
I was joking then.
So, anybody want to chat to me? Anybody want to ask me some questions, maybe?
Where are you from then?
Where am I from?
1 minute.
From Gravesend. From Gravesend, but at the moment I'm living in Croydon, working in Croydon.
Yeah.
I moved into just on the back bar on Fridays, really. I'm
Very
there
nice,
every
I've
day.
seen
So,
it, yeah.
Sorry?
I've seen it. It's a nice bar.
It is a nice bar. Well, probably one of the best bars in the country. Somewhere out there. I think so too, as well. Anyway, so I'm going to see you all down Red Cube, yeah? You're going to follow me, you're going to get me some drinks. That'll be great. So I'll see you there, guys. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, from Croydon, Mr. Nic Gonzalez. Nic Gonzalez.